Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to automate Slack alerts for BoldSign signature requests using Zapier. Slack is a platform that makes it easier for teams to communicate by keeping conversations, files, and notifications in one place. The BoldSign integration with Slack improves document handling by sending real-time alerts to specific Slack channels whenever signature is requested through BoldSign. This means team members and managers in the channel don't need to log into BoldSign to check on documents, keeping them updated and able to act quickly. This feature is especially helpful for teams like sales, HR, and legal which need timely signatures, as it helps them communicate better, avoid delays, and manage documents efficiently. Getting started is easy. You need a valid Zapier account, an updated Slack account, and a BoldSign account, which can be either paid or a free Sandbox account. If you have not signed up yet, you can create a free BoldSign account. Let's consider a scenario where a project department sends project documents to clients for signatures through BoldSign. The team uses Slack for communication during the collaboration process. Whenever a document is sent for signature to a client using BoldSign, the team wants to be notified through Slack. Let me demonstrate how the project manager would set up the Zap. There is a pre-configured template available for this scenario. I navigate to it and click the Try This Template button, which directs me to the Zap creation page. On this page, I add the relevant Zap title. In the Trigger section, BoldSign is set as the trigger app by default, but I can change it if required by clicking the Change button. Document Sent is also set as a trigger event. I can change the trigger event from the drop-down menu to Document Completed or Document Declined if I want to receive notifications for those events. Next, I need to connect my BoldSign account. If you do not have a BoldSign account yet, you can sign up by selecting the Sign In option in the Account section. Since I already have an active BoldSign account, I simply connect it and click Continue. In the Configure section, I select Yes in the admin mode to authorize the necessary permissions for document access. I click Continue and proceed to test the trigger to ensure it functions properly. The details of the most recently sent document are displayed, and I can also find new records. I click Continue with the selected record to complete the setup for this section. Next, in the Action section, the Action app is set to Slack by default, which can be changed as needed by clicking the Change button. The action event is also set to Send Channel Message, but I can choose a different option from the drop-down menu if necessary. In the Account field, I need to connect to my Slack account. If you don't have a Slack account, you'll need to create one. I haven't created a Slack account yet, so to do so, I click Sign In. This action takes me to the Slack sign-in page, where I click Create a new workspace. Next, I enter the email address I want to use for the workspace and click Continue. A code is sent to the address entered, which I enter in the provided space to proceed to the next step. Here I am asked to enter the name of my company. I enter my company name, which will be used as the name of the workspace. After this, I confirm my name and proceed to enter a channel name that reflects what my team is working on. I then proceed to provide all the necessary customizations for my workspace. Once all customizations are complete and the account is set up, I proceed to connect my Slack account while ensuring the required permissions are granted. Once done, I click Continue to move to the Configure section. Here multiple fields are provided, and I need to configure them accordingly. If I want a particular field, I can search for it using its name in the Search Fields section. The mandatory fields are marked with stars, but it is not necessary to map all optional fields. Some fields are automatically set, but can be customized according to your needs. I select the required channel for the signature request notifications from the channel field. Next, in the message text field, I need to add the document title, signer name, signer email address, document status, and expiration date fields, and map them with their respective details for the signature request. Next, the Send as a Bot setting controls if the message is sent from a bot or a person. Selecting Yes sends it from a bot. The bot name is the name shown as the message sender. By default, it's Zapier, but I can change it to BoldSign, so the message is sent from BoldSign. A bot is an automated program that sends messages on behalf of a user or organization. The File field allows you to attach a file by mapping it. In this case, I include the document ID as a file. The Send Channel Message setting sends the message to the Slack channel if Yes is selected. Since I'm using the default settings, I check them once and click Continue. I test the action to ensure it is functioning correctly. Once tested, a Send Channel message is sent to Slack. I proceed to publish the Zap, which is automatically turned on. Now, whenever a signature request is sent to a recipient in BoldSign, a channel message is sent to the specified workspace in the Slack account. That summarizes how you automate Slack alerts for a new signature request sent in BoldSign using Zapier. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.